Hello, I'm Elby from Meadowlark Log Homes. I want to show you around this large single level, the progress here. And they're cleaning up some firewood here. That's some good firewood. And they're cutting the gables of this Denali cabin. These are the roof purlins going into this house. Giant roof logs. The crane will lift that log into place. Now let's have a look at the big house. That was, I believe, the Denali, the top part of a Denali log cabin. And this is the first level and the garage gables of the large house on Ashley Lake. It is a custom model with large logs and clean peeled surface. Here's the garage. Looking very nice, Abijah. Amazing truss. It's got a loft? I thought it has no loft. It's got a loft?
It does, yes sir. So we're working on the stairs for the loft right now. So it's only being supported by these two loft joists in the center beam, and then they're going to use BCIs to hold everything else up there.
So the loft area is just over in here, or where is it at?
So since we have valleys in the house, it's only going to be about probably a half loft. So from here, pretty much to the end of that post over there as well.
Okay, so just a small loft in the center area.
Yes.
Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. So that's, I kept calling it a single level, but I guess it's got a loft in this area. They're putting the stairway treads in. I mean the stairway stringers. This is the stringer for the stairway, and they're putting the next one in place. With it being a single level, it looks like they can maybe do the whole thing in one shot, from the bottom to the peak. But normally with a two-story, they're higher, so they have to do it in 2 stages. Looks beautiful. Thanks guys for watching.